Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super portable TREKOLOGY. I don't know how we call it because it's everything. It's a 3-in-1. It's a table, it's a holder, and it's also a cooler. Everything in one. As you can see, it comes with handles so you can take it with you on the go. Super nice and easy. This thing is really lightweight. And also right here on the top of this lid comes with two cup holders, which I think is pretty cool. And also something for your device right here, kind of like a holder for your device. You can put a tablet right here, you can put your phone. So it's super nice that you have this in case that you're out like camping, fishing, hiking, or something like that. And you're with someone right here, so you can watch your favorite TV episode show like outside or something like that. But also once that you have this in your hands, you can see that you can extend it. It's super easy to do. Actually, let me unlock this one. It's locked or it's unlocked? It's locked. So as you can see right here, now you have a cooler. So this thing is a cooler, or you can use it as a bag as well, like a lunch bag or something like that. And then you unlock this locks right here on the sides, and then you're gonna see that this is what I was talking to you about, that you can put tons of things. You can put cans in here, you can put apples, you can put food, you can put pouches, you can put ice, whatever you need. And then you can actually use this to take it with you on the go as well. And then if you need a table right here, you're gonna find two legs. So now you also have a table. So this is a 3-in-1, super good for camping, hiking, fishing, the beach. For the beach, this could be a really nice must-have. And then you can just like flip it up again, do this, make sure that it's in contact with the actual sides right here. Let's remove this for a minute. And once that is done, you lock just like this, unfold it, or fold it back, actually not unfolded, and that's it, pretty much done. I like this one. It could be a really nice thing to have, and also a gift idea as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.